Finding the right face moisturizer can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With dry patches, oily zones, sensitivity, and changing seasons, your skin demands more than a one-size-fits-all solution. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best face moisturizers that not only hydrate, but also protect, repair, and rejuvenate your skin. Whether you're battling dryness, dullness, or a damaged skin barrier, one of these picks will likely be your next skincare staple. Let's get right into it. Kicking off our list at number 1, CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is a dermatologist-recommended favorite that seamlessly blends hydration and sun protection. Designed for normal to dry skin types, it's formulated with essential ceramides and broad-spectrum SPF 30 to tackle daily moisture loss and harmful UV rays in one go. This lightweight, non-comedogenic lotion works well as a morning moisturizer that primes your skin for the day while reinforcing your natural barrier. Key features: the lotion contains 3 essential ceramides 1, 3, and 6,2, niacinamide 2, soothe, hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, and an encapsulated sunscreen system for stable, all-day protection. It's fragrance-free, oil-free, and developed with dermatologists to ensure maximum skin compatibility and minimum irritation. The formula's MVE delivery technology ensures a slow, sustained release of ingredients for long-lasting moisturization. Benefits and usage: apply it every morning to a clean face and neck as the final step of your skincare routine. The lotion not only hydrates but also defends against environmental aggressors and helps repair your skin's barrier over time. It's particularly beneficial for individuals with sensitive skin or compromised moisture barriers, making it ideal for year-round use. Usability: the lotion glides on effortlessly and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy or white residue. It layers well under makeup and doesn't peel when combined with other skincare products. The pump dispenser ensures a mess-free application and precise control over the amount used, making it efficient and travel-friendly. Durability: a single bottle typically lasts for over a month with daily use. Its sturdy packaging keeps the formula stable and effective, especially with SPF components involved. CeraVe's reputation for high performance, gentle skincare holds true here, making this a long-lasting and dependable moisturizing solution. In the second spot, we have Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. The Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is an anti-aging powerhouse that deeply hydrates while visibly firming and plumping the skin. Marketed as a luxury moisturizer without the luxury price, this cream is designed for mature or dry skin types seeking both moisture and wrinkle-fighting benefits. It combines science-backed ingredients to smooth fine lines and improve skin elasticity from the first use. Key features: this cream boasts a rich blend of niacinamide, aminopeptides, hyaluronic acid, and carob seed extract. These active ingredients support cellular turnover, plump the skin with moisture, and reinforce collagen production. It's fragrance-free, non-greasy, and clinically proven to improve skin appearance over time, especially in texture and tone. Benefits and usage: used both morning and night, the cream helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, boost hydration levels, and restore elasticity. Apply it in upward, circular motions on your face and neck after cleansing and serum application. It's a fantastic option for people noticing the first signs of aging or looking to maintain a youthful glow. Usability: its creamy texture melts into the skin, offering instant hydration without feeling heavy. It serves well as a standalone moisturizer or under makeup and sunscreen. The elegant jar packaging, while luxurious, requires a spatula for more hygienic application and helps control the amount used. Durability: a single jar can last 6 to 8 weeks with twice daily use. Olay's formulation retains its potency due to its stable packaging and well-researched ingredient list. It consistently delivers visible results, making it a reliable choice in any anti-aging skincare regimen. Coming in at number 3 is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is A cult favorite moisturizer designed to deliver intense hydration with a refreshingly light touch. Ideal for normal to oily skin types, it leverages a unique gel-to-water texture that sinks instantly into the skin, making it perfect for those who dislike heavy creams but still crave all-day moisture. Key features. The star ingredient here is purified hyaluronic acid, known for its ability to retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The gel is oil-free, dye-free, non-comedogenic, and contains glycerin to enhance its humectant properties. It's formulated to boost hydration while sealing moisture into the skin without clogging pores. Benefits and usage. Apply it to clean skin morning and night, either alone or under SPF or makeup. It acts like a moisture magnet, drawing water into the skin and leaving it supple and glowing. This moisturizer is especially beneficial for dehydrated skin types, offering relief without overwhelming oily zones or causing breakouts. Usability. The gel glides on smoothly and absorbs almost instantly, making it ideal for hot, humid climates, or for those who want something non-sticky and breathable. The cooling effect upon application adds a refreshing touch. It also works well under sunscreen or foundation without disrupting your routine. Durability. Despite its lightweight texture, a little goes a long way. A single jar typically lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. Its air-tight packaging ensures the hyaluronic acid remains stable and effective throughout its lifespan, making it a worthwhile and practical investment in daily hydration. Taking our fourth spot is Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream is a long-standing favorite among dermatologists for its rich, restorative formula designed specifically for dry to very dry, sensitive skin. It's a versatile, non-irritating cream that delivers intense moisture without the bells and whistles, just clean, effective hydration that your skin can depend on, day or night. Key features. Formulated with glycerin, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E, this cream reinforces the skin's natural moisture barrier while locking in hydration for up to 24 hours. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, lanolin-free, and clinically tested for sensitive skin, making it ideal for people prone to eczema or rosacea. Benefits and usage. Apply liberally to the face or any dry area of the body, especially after bathing or cleansing. It provides long-lasting hydration, reduces flakiness, and strengthens your skin's resistance to irritants. It's perfect for harsh winters or post-treatment skin needing serious comfort and care. Usability. The thick texture spreads easily without leaving a greasy residue. While it may feel a bit heavier at first, it settles well into the skin, creating a soft, smooth surface. It's not ideal under makeup, but works wonders as a night cream or base layer before sunscreen during dry conditions. Durability. This moisturizer is incredibly economical, with a single tub lasting several months, even with daily use. Its basic yet effective packaging keeps the formula protected and accessible, making it a staple in both skincare routines and emergency hydration needs. At number 5, we have La Roche-Posay Toleriane. Double Repair. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is a skin-restoring hydrator that targets barrier, repair and hydration in one elegant formula. Designed for all skin types including sensitive, it's formulated with prebiotic thermal water and ceramides to soothe and strengthen the skin from within. Key features. Key ingredients include ceramide 3, niacinamide, glycerin, and La Roche-Posay's signature thermal spring water. The moisturizer is fragrance-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and allergy-tested, making it suitable for acne-prone, redness-prone, or post-treatment skin. It provides up to 48 hours of hydration while repairing the skin's protective barrier within an hour. Benefits and usage. Use it in both your morning and evening routines after cleansing. It visibly improves skin texture, relieves tightness, and reinforces the skin's ability to protect itself against daily stressors. It's especially helpful for individuals dealing with irritation, flakiness, or barrier damage due to environmental or cosmetic factors. Usability. The lightweight cream absorbs quickly, leaving a velvety finish without clogging pores. It sits well under sunscreen and makeup, making it a convenient choice for busy mornings. The pump bottle ensures clean, easy application while preventing product contamination or waste. Durability. One bottle typically lasts 6 to 7 weeks with twice daily use. Its stable formulation ensures the effectiveness of key ingredients from first pump to last. Known for reliability and dermatologist-grade formulation, this moisturizer easily becomes a long-term staple in any skincare lineup. Matter your skin type or budget, hydration is the foundation of healthy, resilient skin. The 5 moisturizers we covered today, each with its unique strengths, offer trustworthy solutions to dryness, aging, and sensitivity. Whether you prefer a feather-light gel, a repairing cream, or an SPF-infused lotion, you now have the knowledge. To choose wisely, drop your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trusted skincare reviews. Until next time, keep your skin hydrated.